Poland is one step closer to acquiring approximately 250 Stryker armored personnel carriers from the United States for a symbolic cost of $1. The information was delivered by Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Defense Władysław Kosiniak-Kamysz and confirmed through a report by Radio Polskie. The vehicles will be transferred from U.S. units already stationed in Europe as Washington reduces its Stryker presence in the region. Once inspections and technical refurbishments are completed, the fleet will reinforce Poland's mechanized units without the lengthy transatlantic delivery process. The Stryker M1126 Infantry Carrier Vehicle, ICV, is part of an 8x8 vehicle family, derived from Canada's LAV-3 and Switzerland's Piranha 3. The U.S. Army selected this platform to enable rapid mobilization of a brigade within 96 hours to overseas theaters. Each unit can carry 9 infantry soldiers and a crew of 2, featuring a rear compartment designed for fast embarkation and disembarkation. Its dimensions, 6.95 meters in length and 2.72 meters in width, allow transport by C-17 aircraft, C-5 aircraft, and, under certain conditions, C-130 aircraft. This flexibility makes the vehicle attractive for nations prioritizing strategic mobility in coalition operations. Over the past decade, the Stryker has been exported to several countries, including Colombia and Thailand, and more than 100 units have been delivered to Ukraine since 2023. The M1126's primary armament is the Protector M151 remote weapon station, capable of mounting a 12.7mm machine gun, a 7.62mm machine gun, or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. A fully stabilized sighting system enables operators to maintain target lock even while driving over rough terrain. The newest variant, equipped with the Crow's J configuration, adds a Javelin missile launcher with a 2.5-kilometer range, providing anti-tank engagement capability beyond the line of sight. The Stryker's modular design allows it to be adapted for various missions, from troop transport to close-quarters combat against older armored vehicles. Its primary protection comes from a high-hardness steel hull that can be fitted with additional ceramic plates, effective against 14.5mm ammunition and 152mm artillery fragments. During operations in Afghanistan, Strykers received upgrades including a V-shaped hull to enhance resistance to mines and IEDs, ACBRN protection system, external fuel tanks, and integration with the FBCB-2 command network further improves survivability and situational awareness. According to Kosiniak-Kamysz, all Strykers will undergo inspection to determine whether they will be assigned for operations, training, or support roles. General Staff Chief Wisław Kukua added that recommendations have been prepared and that field assessments will be a key factor before a final decision is made in the second half of 2026, unless the security situation deteriorates unexpectedly. Poland currently faces a shortage of modern platforms following the gradual retirement of Soviet-era BWP-1s and large-scale transfers of equipment to Ukraine, making the U.S. offer particularly strategic. Despite receiving a large Stryker fleet, Poland emphasizes that its domestic defense industry remains a priority. The Rozumak, Poland's locally produced platform based on Finland's Patria AMV, continues to be the backbone of the fleet, with more than 900 units manufactured. Its latest variant carries the ZSSW-30 turret with a 30mm Mk-44S cannon and Spike LR missiles with a 4-kilometer range. A total of 35 units have been delivered to the 21st Podhale Rifle Brigade. In addition, the delivery of the first batch of 15 Borsuk vehicles to the 15th Mechanized Brigade marks significant progress in modernizing Poland's heavy units. The Borsuk program includes a contract for 111 units and the potential expansion to 1,400 vehicles, including specialized variants. The presence of Strykers, Rosamaks, and Borsuks will shape a brigade structure tailored to rapid maneuver needs on the eastern flank. Strykers provide infantry transport and high mobility, while Rosamak and Borsuk deliver stronger anti-tank firepower and improved performance in difficult terrain. The digital integration of all three platforms will ensure full connectivity with NATO's command networks. The planned transfer of 250 Strykers underscores deepening defense cooperation between Washington and Warsaw in strengthening NATO's front line. Poland aims to solidify its position as a major land power in Central Europe, while enhancing industrial self-reliance and combat capability amid evolving security dynamics driven by Russian military pressure. Beyond immediate benefits for Poland's mechanized brigades, the Stryker transfer also carries long-term implications for U.S. troop deployment patterns in Europe. The reduction of U.S. Stryker forces signals Washington's shift toward reorganizing its posture, moving away from lighter-wheeled platforms toward systems aligned with multi-domain operational concepts. This aligns with ongoing U.S. Army modernization, which places greater emphasis on heavy armored units and integration of unmanned systems into brigade-level operations. For Poland, this shift creates strategic opportunities. By receiving vehicles previously used by experienced U.S. units, Warsaw gains not only operational-ready platforms, but also the chance to absorb best practices from formations that have employed Strykers in NATO operations and multinational exercises. This could accelerate the Polish Army's tactical adaptation, particularly in rapid mobility doctrines and network-centric warfare.